Alright, so here is how you do a filter change on this type of filter. So first things first is to turn off the power, and then remove all the hinges, springs, remove all the springs, 3 and 4. As you can see, the air comes in from there and goes through the mixer, so for the heat transfer, and the air goes that way. So as per that, and yeah, and one filter gone, and then new one. And then same thing, that as per those arrows is that way. So then alright, back in place. Now you've got to make sure that you get the overlap correct. There we go. So, but yeah, if you have to force it, then chances are you're doing something wrong. So, but anyway, spring and spring, spring and spring, spring. Spring, spring, and spring into those, see, into those little notches, and then power back on, and there you go. And in about 30 seconds that will turn on. Yeah, and there we go.